Jay Lucas has landed his first five-star recruit as head coach of Miami. Today, former Duke pledge Shelton Henderson announced that he will be following Lucas and committing to the Hurricanes. A 6'6", physically imposing wing, Shelton shares high school roots with his future head coach. He also ran with the John Lucas grassroots program, JL3 Elite, throughout his time in high school. All the connections are there, and with Henderson on board, the U is getting a multi-positional defender who can do just about anything on the floor. He is one of the best long-term prospects in the class of 2025 and is bound to blossom during his time in the ACC.